Hello, guys. Welcome to the stream. welcome to the stream, guys. Uh, hello, guys. Hello. Welcome. What I am sure I'll have my YouTube open in another iPad. Voice தான் கரெக்டாக தானே இருக்கு. So I guess stream is running smoothly now. Last week we had troubles while running the stream. So I guess stream is running smoothly. Okay, perfect. Things are great. We'll see what market has to give us today. Looks like yesterday has expanded too much, and today we can continue the momentum, but I don't think so. Guys, if there is இப்பதான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம், so we'll see if there is retention, or else I'll just switch to Tamil. Sorry. I just start my recordings also, so I'm gonna post the same video in my channel, like how I set my anticipations for the day, looking at the economic calendar and other news events, and how I use like actually use that in my trading after 9:30 open is what I'm gonna look at today. How was your week so far? Monday and Tuesday, like yesterday was a good day for me, at least. Yesterday was a tricky day, to be honest. I was expecting longs, and market gave a lot of selling opportunity, but I was able to capitalize in a small buys actually, but it later panned out to be a very good buy set. We'll talk about it in the later part of the stream. Okay, we'll talk about it in the later part of the stream. I guess these buys, if I'm not wrong, somewhere around here. Okay, these buys, but eventually it gone to the highs. So yep, right now it's consolidating. Buffer ஆகுதா? இல்லையே ப்ரோ, பஃபர் ஆகலையே. ஹலோ ப்ரோ, பஃபர் ஆகுதா என்ன? Bro, I don't know, bro. There is some issues with Wi-Fi, I guess. Okay, so கொஞ்சம் maybe and the differences இருக்கலாம். Maybe there is a slight difference between like literal live. I don't know. There is some issues with streaming, but okay. எனக்கு எதுவும் அப்படி தெரியல. Okay. விக்னேஷ் அண்ணா மினாட்டா ப்ரோவா? ஹலோ கோலா. ரே மாமா, how are you? Been so long, na? Where are you, bro? No calls, nothing. So, okay, we'll just go through our analysis for the day, okay? We'll just go through our analysis for the day, and then okay. Guys, one last time, let me know if there is some. I can see the live stream, like it's dropping. I mean, the retention rate is dropping. Is there anything? No buffering. Okay. Guys, just busy with college assignments. Okay, mama. Like last, let me know if my stream is buffering. No buffering. All good. Okay. Morattu buffering. No buffer, sir. என்னாச்சுன்னு தெரியலையே for the last 2 weeks. Okay தான். ஓகே கைஸ், ரொம்ப பஃபராக இருந்துச்சுன்னா சொல்லுங்க. ஐ வில் ரீஸ்டார்ட் மை ஸ்ட்ரீம். ஓகே, ஸோ இப்போதைக்கு நம்ம அப்படியே போயிடலாம். இட்ஸ் அரௌண்ட் 9, ஒரு 5 நிமிஷம் வேஸ்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு. தேர் இஸ் நோ பஃபர், ப்ளீஸ் கண்டினியூ தி ஸ்ட்ரீம். ஓகே ஓகே, ஸோ பர்ஃபெக்ட். ஸோ just looking at the momentum and order flow, I'm kind of looking at the low hanging fruit objective, which is around India. It's around here. And buy side liquidity. And this is very close actually. I'll just have to look at ES if the same highs are taken in ES. And okay, we are having a huge, no, the highs are not yet taken. And ES is kind of weaker and Q stronger. I'm looking at in the highs, and in the highs if the momentum still continues. So just look at this. 8 minutes. So sorry, maybe next time I'll try to do something about this buffer, but this time I have to continue. Maybe the post live session would be good, I guess. So look at the live session. If you still want to learn something from me, just look at the live session after my live is like ended, so that there would be no buffering then. So we have CPI news today. We had at 8:30 open, we had CPI news today, and it was like buy side. Not a huge buy side, a VIX on sell side, and then major bodies to the buy side. Delivery was buy side, and I'm looking at around 21,121 levels. And also, if not today, but tomorrow, eventually 21,409 levels I am looking at. Those are my targets for the week. Tomorrow we don't have any news. Thursday we have a lot of news around 8:30. We have other news by 8:40, and 8:40 Powell speaks as well. We have our Alibaba and other news. I mean, the earnings release pre-market. So Thursday is gonna be an eventful day. I know, but today we had CPI. I don't like look at fundamentals, so just we had CPI at that time, and looking at this daily time frame with NDOG, I guess you will be able to see the ticker time frame and date and ticker's name here. I have it in the indicator settings right there. So we have our targets here. These are all my targets for the present day. I don't know if I go into lower time frame, and if there is a delivery which doesn't suit my buy side, I'll just target the sell side which is close. So we have this buy side liquidity and another buy side liquidity with a gap of around okay guys. So the gap difference is around 300 handles, which is not much. From here it would be around 400 handles. It's not a lot of movement for NQ. But if you look at things, the liquidity pool which is lying at 21,121 levels, I feel it's kind of engineered. We have this beautiful NDOX in close proximity, the new day opening gaps, and this buy side liquidity is like kind of engineered, I would say. So I feel buys are high probability today, more than looking for short. But if I go to lower time frame, if I see some signatures, I'll just I don't know if there is some issue stream. Maybe next time I'll correct it. If you still want to look at my recordings, it would be saved post live so that it would be like clean then. There would be no buffering. So please bear with me. The next time I'll just make sure it's all right. Okay. Go to a minute or 2 minutes back, and then the live stream would be going smoothly, running smoothly. So I'm looking at buy side. If I just look at daily time frame, I'll have to look at things in weekly time frame. So we don't have any in docs. Sorry, I mean in walk, so to say. We are kind of away from the end walk. So if we just draw some standard deviations to the new week opening gap, 4 standard deviation is coming around these levels. Price is about trading above 2 standard deviations, and it is trading around very close proximity to 2.5 standard deviation. If you look at a buy side, and 3 standard deviation is just above that, which is in close proximity to the end docs. So I feel high probability could be the buys, but considering the huge rally of around 800 points today, could be a low probability day. So we should like balance between, if it is today is a high probability or low probability, we'll be using lower time frame signatures to do that. Market is opening around in 20 minutes right now, and if we look at things, we have our prices taking support at the new month opening gap. We have this beautiful draw of lower time frame liquidity pull around the present day's highs. We go to 6 hour time frame. It's a beautiful setup around what the London. We have this order block. This propulsion block came lower, repriced into this 50%. Price took these lows. It's going higher right now. Price is closing above the previous candle size. I would like love price to see it going hit all these higher time frame arrays. 4 hour time frame is kind of clean as well, if you ask me. The lows are swept. Do we have a liquidity? I mean SMT? No, we do not have an SMT, and we have like the third candle has been expanded. I would consider this as the third candle. Now we had our expansion. Price could retrace a bit, right? The price could retrace a bit. We have our 6 hour propulsion block right here, 4 hour order block, propulsion block around those levels. This is a breaker, so to say, in higher time frame, and we have our previous highs when broken came lower, supporting prices going higher. 30-minute time frame, we have our SMT with the volume imbalance. So price could come a little bit lower, right? Price could come a bit lower, reprice into maybe all these inefficiencies and then continue going higher, or price could like push through all these highs from now itself. But just looking at price, it's consolidating right at the moment, and there is no SMT, nothing. I'll go have my normal layout. So as you can see, we have an end WOG. We have an end WOG above these, I mean below this end WOG. So I feel we are going higher, guys. I'll be more interested in going longs. Price is also taking support at the end WOG size. We'll just have to wait for a manipulation or little SMT, and then we are good to go. But for me, the shorter time frame or the next drawn liquidity would be this. And if price wants to come lower, we have this kind of clean engineered liquidity. the relative equal lows. So interest for me would be, if price shifts its gear, I'll be looking at the sell side. And if price is like continuing higher, I'll target buy side. Buy side targets are obvious. CPI has expanded a lot, so there has been expansion since 3 a.m. and that's the only concern for me. If there is some sort of manipulation around 6, I would have still expected continuations higher. But the fact that we have been cruising higher with not a lot of momentum, this I feel is all engineered. Yeah, price has expanded. Now we should like wait. It's not a right now trade timing now. We have to just wait. I'll go with 5. I'll set 3. Oh, this is MNQ, right? So we'll just switch to another pane when we are about to take buys. Nvidia opening is very high, so NQ can dump lower, right? So there are two cases, okay? So if you are looking at okay, there are SMT with H1. Let me check. Buys, tiny SMT, bro, but I'll consider this as sell side only, because like just looking at the single asset class you are trading, no, I don't think so. This is an SMT, but price has gone a year. Maybe what could happen is price can consolidate a bit here at 10 a.m. opening. It can lower and then go a year. But yeah, looking at lower time frame signatures, it's obvious that we are cruising higher. Nothing clean here. Nothing clean. Price is taking support at the propulsion block. SMT at these lows. SMT at the lows. I feel if there is some sort of, where is 9 a.m. opening? Okay, 9 a.m. opening is this. If this closes above here or something, then if like there is a momentum, we could easily go higher. I'll go. I'm doing a buys here. This is my stop loss. Now we'll have to monitor. I feel price is going higher. We have a tiny SMT, sequential SMT, if you want to call that way. We are having an inverse FEG, and price seems to be taking support at the inversions FEG. Those down close candles, I'll consider that as a change in the state of delivery. And yeah, stop loss is safe. My stop loss is safe. If it sit, I'm just wrong about my like what, the direction or something. I'm literally taking a buys at the highs. There is a good SMT there, but I'm looking for buys, and also the stocks are opening at not too much of a gap buys, so I'll just consider going for buys. That's a good sign there. We had all these. Let's wait and watch, guys. If it is an SL, I'm going for another trade, and that's it. I'm done for the day. Price could be consolidating, so we'll just look at YM. YM though kinda it's bullish as well, guys. We have left all these. We have left all these highs, and I feel we are going higher. Also, it's kind of clean. I'm just looking at buys. I'm expecting 930 upside. Simple, nothing or too much. I got a SMT. Like I gotta see an SMT there. The bearish PD arrays has been inversed here in terms of this M5 BC. I mean M3 CB has been inversed, and that is the reason I've gone for buys here. SMT at the lows, I'm using that SMT lows as the stop loss. If at all price wants to go higher, I don't want to see these levels getting breached. That is the reason for my SL. Pretty clean, not too much. I can see some L model here. The closure above all these eyes, and that's it, guys. Not looking good. Breaker has been formed, but direction is there. I don't feel that's gonna hit my target before my SL is hit. So let's wait and watch. Maybe we'll get another SMD and then we'll go higher if this is what I feel. I don't want to see all these levels getting respected. This is the sell side OB. For sales, I mean bearish OB. If that's an SL, that's an SL. It's been so long since I've taken a trade just before pre-market anticipating the rise. Let's see how things goes. That was a good reaction there though. That was a good reaction. Like it's slow grind PA higher. Stream is buffering or it is good, guys? Let me know. There is kind of another SMT. Now I don't want to see these levels getting swept. If it closes good, I'm just gonna add more. When price reprices to these down close candles, I'll now consider these as mitigation block, and if there is a reprice here, I'll just add more. Okay, I'm rejected, so I'll just stick with this. Okay, great. Yo, much buffering, bro. Oh, I don't know, bro. Some say it's good, some say it's bad. I don't know. I like really don't know if there is issue with my end or it's issue with the Wi-Fi provider. I can see that price repriced to the previous candle's lows. I mean, the previous candle's opening. So that's a discount array if price wants to continue higher for me at least. This is 5 minute and this is 30 minute. We are having SMT price. I feel should go higher from here. These lows should not be taken out. There is no momentum, guys. Okay, so I guess maybe next time I'll just reduce the latency. If latency is a problem, the next time I'll reduce my latency. Paka. There is no momentum for buys, guys. It's 10-point SL. Okay. Ooh, okay. I'm getting stopped. For your reference, I took a loss in the stream today. I'll go for another trade with my other account today. I'm getting stopped. I'm gonna post this in Discord right away. First trade is an SL for me. I was looking for higher prices and we had an SMT. No SMT also. So now we'll just have to wait for bro. I really like this displacement, bro. Maybe we could come lower again, take this 830 data lows, and then we can go higher. We just have to wait and see. Wait. 4 minutes until the open, guys. I think after 9:30 it would be better to trade. Could be. I was expecting slow grind highs. Like we had in we had after the 4 a.m. mark. The grind, slow grind highs is what I was expecting. The same PA I was expecting. But yeah, that's fine. 10 point, $200. I don't like this displacement though. Looking at this displacement, it's crucial we can hit all these lows. We have another order block here. We have a sell side liquidity here. This is buy side. SMT again. Let's see if this holds. I don't know. I'm looking at buys. I took a stop loss. I took a 10-point stop loss. Buy side. I have another bullet. I'm gonna trade like another bullet. If I'm getting stop there, then it's done for me today. Just give me a second. I'll just switch my accounts. Give me a sec, guys. I'll just switch my accounts. Like a stop loss for an account, a bullet for an account. Paka. Seems like we are going lower. We still have an SMT being held. The lows here. One minute until the open. 1 minute. We have an L model, but I don't think so. This can hold because it's kind of consolidation at the higher time frame. Ten seconds until the open. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here you go. Okay, we are going lower. There is an SMT. There is not a huge gap up, guys. Considering yesterday's open, it's not a like very huge gap up. We have an open SMT at the highs with RTH. The PM session size has been taken out. The PM session size has been taken out. The ES has repriced to almost the lows. But seems like we are getting lower. YM is bro. YM and NQ is not at all in close correlation. NQ like YM has opened at a gap down. There is an open SMT. If you just look at just changes to regular trading hours, you can see that the highs has been taken out in NQ and not in ES. So I would really want to see the sell side getting taken out. Let's see. Tricky day today. Tricky day to be honest today. All the sell side liquidities has been taken in YM. I feel YM could be a good trade today. But let it give some signatures that it's wanna go like it wants to go higher. There is an SMT at the lows. Bro, I really want to take like I did want to take that, but Nothing much. Beautiful buys here. 30 seconds chart as you can see. We have news at 10 a.m. I can't see any. There is no news at 10 a.m. for me. I don't know why. I couldn't see any news at 10 a.m. Yes, ES could be a good buys since NQ has repriced higher. VS we have some hope. Where do you find that there is news at 10 a.m.? Where do you find? See, bro, it was good, bro. But maybe I could have waited for 10 a.m. opening. For tree prices to the lows, I'll just go for another buy, maybe. Bro, price is repricing to this volume imbalance and going higher. Bro, YM is going to the opposite side, bro. YM is going opposite. No news, no news, no news, no news, bro. I can't see any. I can't see any. Sorry. Nvidia's slightly tanking lower. Did someone use trade for opportunities first presentation FEG? Did someone use that? So okay, we are getting bro beautiful delivery, bro. But after taking my stop loss, yeah, that was a beautiful trade. No news. That's why Aji bro said in Discord. Okay, okay. My bad. Sorry. ES repriced higher. That's a 1 hour, like 1 hour trade. The highs has almost been taken out in ES, not in NQ. Price is reacting or rejecting off of the 1 minute FEG. NQ, YM is also. Bro, pretty clean, bro. YM has taken a lot of sell side. It has to go here. YM for me feels good today. So we are having a pretty good SMT. The highs are taken out or equalized. I'm not really sure if that's a taken out, then it's a good sell. Okay. The highs has been taken out. There is a tiny little FEG. Sorry, SMT. 0.5 standard deviation of the opening range gap has been hit in Nvidia. Price is reacting off of the first presentation FEG in ES. There is no first presentation FEG with Nvidia. DXY going lower and Q higher. Nice, right? No, great. Like it's been so long since I started. Like I've not looked at DXY for trading NQ. It's been too long. I don't know when, but it's been so long. So yes, our direction has been right, but yeah, the timing has been off. Beautiful buys there. Timing has been off. I would admit that, but that's a good buys here. The first presentation FEG buys has been very clean buys. I mean, here in ES though, it's kind of good. Now the stop loss would have been at the lows. Major SL would have been moved around 25% still remaining. But yeah, we'll have to wait. We'll have to wait. It's just 10 minutes. OEM has to go higher, bro. OEM has to go higher. I don't know why it's not going higher. OEM has to go higher. Prices swept a lot of liquidity at the open to the lows. At the lows, I mean, sorry. It has to go higher. I don't know why it isn't going higher. L model buys 1:1 R. Here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just we have to wait. Shh. NQ, I mean, this is OEM. Good RR though. But I don't know if I would favor a ticker here, it would be buys for OEM, but it isn't showing any signs of that. It wanna go higher. There is an SMT if I'm not wrong. The highs. Okay, I'm gonna go sales. Stop loss at the highs. Just the fact that there is an SMT and I'm seeing some sort of weakness. Data highs has been taken out. I'm looking for data lows. That's a 15-point stop loss. The data highs has been taken out. There is an SMT at the highs. There is an inversion as well. SMT at Nvidia, SMT with OEM. I'll just put that at the highs, guys. I'll just put that at the highs. L model the highs should be placed there, but like at times when the SL is kind of when we are taking trades at around the low risk price, it's better to have your SL placed at the highs. Nvidia is super bullish. OEM is bearish. Winning streak is getting broken, I guess, today. That's my propulsion block. I don't want to see price trading any higher. Stop loss going at the highs of the propulsion block. I'm gonna take it and I'm done with the streams today. Nvidia is super bullish. Nvidia ain't supporting buys. Sorry, sells. We need a break lower or higher. NQ's playing with my emotions. I'll better place my stop loss at the highs. I'll better place it at the highs. The FEG is also respecting price. I just want to break lower, at least a single candle lower to at least manage my trade. I'm not getting any. So I guess that's better. Now price should not again come to this FEG. Bro, this Nvidia is holding prices. No L model, 5-minute FEG lower, but all these sell side, I mean the data lows is still intact. Need a sell side delivery. We don't have any. Price is reacting around the first percent, I mean the 1 standard deviation. So let's see. Okay, so yes, I guess I'm done for the stream. 2 partial losses, around 350 loss today. My winning streak is broken today. So I guess I'm done for the day, guys. So I guess I was wrong about the bias on shorts, and when the highs are taken, I was wrong about the lows. So I guess that's it. Partial SLs, and see you tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow. I guess next week, right? So see you in the stream next week, guys. Bye. I'm closing my day today. Bye.